What is the linguistic term for when a speaker flips the first sound of two words to humorous effect?
Are you kidding me?
Such as the phrase, "Po Buddy's Nerfect," alternate timeline U.S. President Horbert Heaver, or George Carlin's sage advice, "Don't sweat the petty things and don't pet the sweaty things."
I will tell you, I want you to be present for me knowing this, because I feel like a big old brain man. Do you know this?
I don't. I kind of guess that it's maybe portmanteau, but I think I'm positively wrong.
Portmanteau is not correct.
That is not correct.
I love the English language. Mm-hmm. A portmanteau is when they take two words and put them together, like brunch is a portmanteau.
Yep.
This, my friend, I love these, and I do them all the time, always in my head. This, Seth, this is called a spoonerism. This is called a motherfucking spoonerism. Tell me if I'm right.
Beautifully answered, Mark.
God damn it. Hell yeah. Spoonerism, baby.
Just
boom.
Boom. Fist
Boom.
bump.
Which is just a really fun thing to say.
Kiss coming in.
Nerds.
I thought that was going to be a kiss.
That was not a kiss.
That wasn't a kiss. That was a diss.
Hurt my damn feelings.
Thanks, baby.
Spoonerism.
Spoonerism
God
is the
damn.
answer.
Lee just got dunked on.
As soon as you said a speaker,
I'm glad you got it right.
I thought you were talking about like a boom boom speaker, and then and then you said flips, and I was like, no fucking way. I spoonerism in my mind constantly.
Dark Mavis.
The Creefosters, Dark Mavis.
Dark Mavis.
Dark
Your
Mavis.
old alias.
Every time I got drunk, I went from Mark Davis to Dark Mavis, and that was one of my early spoonerisms.
One time I said, I was trying to say exact replica, and I said exact leprecate. Would that qualify?
No.
That's
just
fucking up.
That's just you having a mild stroke.
Yeah, exactly.
It has to be intentional.
Transient
I
ischemic
believe it has to
attack.
be
It
intentional.
has to be intentional, yeah.
Okay.
Feth sword.
Okay, there you go.
That's a spoonerism,
It's
baby.
got spoon all over it.